Miles of forest, a narrow country road, and one old farmhouse tucked away in northern Maine. There are no crowded backyards, no traffic past the trees, and no neighbors crowding the property line. Just 10 acres of private land, a stream running along the edge, and a porch meant for watching the weather change. It feels less like a real estate listing and more like the life people say they desire. And the price is low enough to make this property seem almost unbelievable. But that is exactly where the story becomes confusing. Buyers have seen the house, considered the land, and still walked away. The reason is not clear in the beautiful photographs, and it could completely change whether this farmhouse feels like freedom or a mistake. So before judging the price, let's find out what is really being offered here. The property is in Sherman, Maine, where long winters, deep forests, and small communities create a life far from crowded cities. Almost 200 feet of private stream runs along the edge of the land. This isn't a distant water view or a decorative pond. It's real flowing water, close enough to hear from the property, and calm enough to shape the atmosphere of the entire place. The farmhouse itself has stood since 1950. It was built for cold seasons, long winters, and families that needed real space instead of unnecessary luxury. Inside, the home has 4 bedrooms and nearly 1,800 square feet of living space. One of its most interesting features is the double living room. Instead of squeezing all activities into one space, the home offers 2 separate areas. One side can accommodate television, conversation, visiting relatives, and everyday family noise. The other can remain quieter, a spot for reading, working from home, or winding down at the end of the day. The main floor is practical for daily living. There's an eat-in kitchen for casual meals, along with a separate formal dining room for holidays and larger family gatherings. The laundry is also on the main floor, eliminating the need to carry heavy baskets between levels. A full bathroom is upstairs, while a half bathroom serves the lower floor. The rooms seem generously sized, and the number of windows allows natural light to flow throughout the home. The dishwasher, range, and refrigerator are included, giving the next owner fewer immediate costs after moving in. At the front of the house is a covered enclosed porch. During a rainstorm in Maine, this could easily become the best spot on the property, a sheltered area to sit behind the glass and watch the weather roll through the trees. Below the home is a full unfinished basement. It may not be fitting living space right now, but it provides valuable storage and enough room for a workshop, utility area, or future project. But the house is only part of what is being offered. Surrounding it are 10 wooded acres, giving the property real privacy without making the land feel completely unusable. So why is it still unsold? The answer is not obvious structural damage. It is not a useless piece of land, and it is not a major issue hiding inside the house. The real concern is distance. This is deep northern Maine, far from major job centers, large airports, shopping areas, and city conveniences that drive most housing demand. Many buyers love the idea of privacy. Fewer are ready to organize their jobs, family responsibilities, and daily lives around a truly remote location. The property itself didn't lose its value. The number of people who can realistically live here simply became smaller, and that limited buyer pool is what keeps the price affordable. The reported annual property tax is approximately $1,686.